Welcome to Meg's Minutes with Meg Elphick and Liberty Horseboxes, the series where I'm going to be helping you to keep your lorry running smoothly and getting it competition ready. Today I'm going to be showing you some essentials that should always stay in your horse box for horses and humans in the event of an emergency. First up, an obvious one, we've got a human first aid kit. This just stays underneath our seats. Next, you should always have a high-vis for every person travelling. So in the event you break down, it's just really good to be seen when you're on the roads and around the vehicle. Speaking of safety, we also have a warning triangle. Again, just stays under the seats. If you do break down, it's great to put this behind the lorry. And I'm a big fan of this one because it flashes. So also got some essentials for the horses. No matter where you're going, what you're doing, if you're traveling horses, you should really be traveling with these items. So first one, an obvious one, but we always take a water container with at least half full and a bucket. Even if you're going somewhere with water, if you break down, you want to be able to offer them a drink. We also, on that note, always travel them with a hay net. Then we've got our horsey first aid kit. This has just got little essentials in should anything happen whilst out and about. Next thing is a working pair of scissors. We've had it before where we've seen horses strung up in a hay net. You just need to be able to cut through things sometimes, so make sure you've always got scissors. And lastly, a spare head collar in case anything snaps, you've got something to safely travel them home. And they are all of my essentials for horses and humans to make sure you're safe when you travel.